Good morning, guys. We will cook chicken pot pie. So, we have oil. Okay, guys. Lagay natin yung sibuyas at garlic. Sabay na yan para walang away kung anong mauuna, di ba? Aking nag-aaway kung sinong dapat mauna eh. Okay, let's add our chicken. Breast, chicken breast. Chicken breast or chicken thigh na debone. Lagyan natin ng paminta. Then salt. Let's wait. Okay guys, let's add our potatoes. Okay, lagyan muna natin ng konting tubig. So, okay, let's add our cream of chicken. Okay, let's add our cream of mushroom. Tutulog ang mushroom. Okay, mix it. Okay. Lagyan nyo ng tubig yung anyong can. And then, yan. Okay, let's add our frozen vegetables. Medyo frozen na talaga. Okay. Tama yan. Hydrated. Okay. And let's wait until it's cooked. Okay. Chicken pot pie. Okay, here's our chicken pot pie. Usually it's in the pie, but this is open. It's chicken with the rolls. Okay. Let's eat.